Advantage Air are committed to making your home the ultimate comfort zone. Since 1990, they've been designing and manufacturing systems right here in Australia, specifically for our extreme climate. A control panel that doubles as a tablet is just their latest innovation. 6 patents, 2 innovation patents, Australian Design Awards. These guys know their stuff. Here's what you need to know about air conditioning before you choose a system. The average house has 10 rooms, yet the average household has around 4 people. This means only 3 or 4 rooms are being used at any time. So why run the aircon in the whole house? With a standard 4 or 5 zone system, you might not have a choice, as a zone can combine multiple rooms. You may be using only 3 rooms, but you'll be paying to cool or heat 7. The second problem is most systems have a single thermostat, normally located in either the hallway or the living room. As upstairs and west-facing rooms heat up faster, you end up with hot and cold spots throughout your home. When assessing the system, the equation is simple. More zones plus more airflow control equal more comfort and more energy efficiency, which is where myAir is in a class of its own. It divides your home into 10 zones, 1 for every room. You control exactly which rooms receive air conditioning and how much. You can manually adjust the airflow to every room from 5 to 100% in precise 5% increments to counter hot and cold spots. Or upgrade to ITC, Individual Temperature Control. The ITC sensors act like thermostats, and the system will automatically adjust the airflow to maintain your ideal temperature, regardless of a room's orientation to the sun. The secret behind myAir's airflow control? These exact air regulators. Connected to the ducting, they control how much air goes where. Each one has opposed blade dampers that can open and close in 5% increments. Compare that to a standard damper, which is essentially a large metal tube with a single internal pivot door. Even if you open it just a little, most of the air will flow through. As this graph shows, with standard dampers, the temperature swings as wildly as the pivot door. Exact air regulators are far more controlled, so you maintain your set temperature as energy efficiently as possible. To save even more energy, myAir comes with the option of motion sensors that reduce airflow to empty rooms. If a room is empty for 10 minutes, myAir automatically adjusts the temperature by 1 degree. After 20 minutes, it adjusts another degree, reducing energy usage by 20%. Walk back in and it returns to your chosen setting. You also have the option of deciding which room serves as the thermostat for your home. It can be any room with a temperature sensor. To ensure your whole home is cool in summer, nominate the hottest room as the My Zone. To save energy, pick a middle or east-facing room. For maximum comfort, choose the room you're using. It only takes 2 taps to change it. Using the myAir app, you can control your system from anywhere in the world, or you can access the world from your myAir. The control panel doubles as a tablet. And because it's wired in, it's always charged and where you can find it. Know how to use a tablet or an iPad? Then you know how to use the myAir control panel. Simply tap on the function you want and follow the prompts. To turn the system on, tap here. This home screen displays your aircon status. Right now, the system is on, set to 24 degrees, medium fan speed and cooling. You can adjust any of these settings directly from the home screen. Too simple. Low fan speed is ideal for when you have a number of zones closed or are going to sleep. At night, when the outside temperature drops, choose fan mode to circulate the air without cooling it. To set an on or off timer, simply tap the appropriate timer button and choose from the timer options. The easiest way to save energy is to only run the system in the rooms you're using. To do that, press zones or swipe across. To open or close a zone, tap on it. To adjust the airflow or temperature to each room, press the plus or minus icon. Rooms with temperature sensors will have a thermometer icon next to them. The dark grey thermometer indicates your My Zone,
the room that is acting as the thermostat for your whole house. To change the My Zone, tap on another thermometer. This Running Man icon indicates a room has a motion sensor. Simply tap on the man to deactivate the sensor. We've designed our systems to be as intuitive as possible, but remember, if you do get stuck, help is just a tap away. Hate coming home to a hot house or waking up to a cold kitchen? Programming is the answer, and it's so simple with myAir. Tap Plan. Now select New Program. Decide when you want the system to turn on and off, what days you want it to run, and in which zones. Done! You can create up to 5 programs. The final button, Setup, allows you to rename zones. Now you know how myAir works. It's time to play. The control panel doubles as a tablet with room for all your favourite apps. Play music, Facebook, check emails, order groceries, and load up your security, reticulation and lighting apps. This is no ordinary control panel. It's a complete home hub. Only myAir can make your life this comfortable. Because comfort is about feeling totally in control.